Hello, my name is Sung Sung, and I am here to present a mini project about state crime. So for the abstraction, in this project, the abstraction of state crime is the list of crime reports that are provided, and this state report has a number of property, and all the number of property will be represented in the data map, which is on the structure slide on the later. And first property is the year, and is an integer property that represents the year of the when state crime happened. And state is the string property that represents the name of state, and this shows the state or the state that crime report happened. And population is the integer property that describe a population for interest of either state or whole United States. And rate is the dictionary property which describes the rate of crime, and it divided into the two property, which is property and the violent, and they're also dictionary, and they further divide into several float property, which describes a type of the crime. And total is the dictionary that describes the total number of crime, and very similar to rate, it divides into the property and violent number of the crime, and it also further divided into the type of crime, which is float property. Next is the limitation. The limitation can be the excluded data. So in this imported data, it only shows property and the violent crime of the United States, which means that it does not show all types of the crime that happen in the United States, such as like financial like financial crime in like a government department and such like that. And on top of that, it has the data for only limited period of time in the state or United States, which sometimes shows inaccuracy on the some of the data I'm going to represent. And also some data may have extreme that can hugely impact the average number of the or total number of the data, and this extreme or outlier can cause inaccuracy of the data compared to the real world state crime report that actually happened. And structure, here's the data map for the data. It starts from the crime reports and it divided into the three dictionary data states in the year, and state is the string property and year is the integer property, and data divided into the three dictionary also, which is population, rates, and totals. And from here, race and total divided into property and violent, and they also divided into and property divided into the types of the crime, which is all, burglary, larceny, and motor. And also for violent, it divided into the all, assault, murder, rape, and robbery. And also for the totals, it divided into property and violence, and it divided into the same types of, of the crime. And all of this type of crime is float property. So the question one is about what is the relationship between property crime report and the violent crime report in Virginia? And my answer is, since I need a relationship between two crimes, it is best to use scatter plot to figure out the relationship between two. So according to scatter plot, it shows a proportional relationship, which means that if property crime reports increase, so as the violent crime reports. And here is the code for the question number one and visualization. And here's the question number two. What is the trend of property crime rate of Virginia between 2002 to 2012? And answer is it reached maximum around 2001, but shows downfall trend since then. As you see in this line plot, it goes up until around 2001 and start to drop since then, which shows downfall trend. And in order to show the trend, I use the line plot. And here is the code for the visualization and the question number two. And question three is, what is the violent crime rate in Virginia between year 2000 to 2012? And the answer is, I use bar graph to compare violent crime rate in each year. And year 2001 and 2002 shows highest crime rate in Virginia, while it started to drop a little bit, and it starts to dramatically drops around 2010 and reaches the lowest crime rate in 2012. And here's the code for the visualization for number three. For social implications / social impact, using this data, people can see general trends of crime in the Virginia, and this can be used either state government, state police, or even federal government and federal police, and also like law enforcement departments such as FBI or such, and also average like citizen in particular states and or in this case is Virginia, can see this data and knows like general ideas about the crimes in Virginia. And on top of that, state government and police can promote lowest low number of crime in the recent from 2010 to 2012. This can like relieve people in Virginia and promote how good they are in the last few years. And also using this data, the state or federal, they can see what types of crime is increasing, so they can focus more on that to make it lower. And also federal state government can issue social welfare or budget for police department or law enforcement, whether they increase or decrease or make it equal based on this data. And also non-government people, companies such as like security company, they can plan their annual plan based on this crime data. Like they see like something's increasing, they can promote that the security company will protect particular types of crime from the people and increase their profit. And here's the honor code for this mini project, and thank you for listening and have a good day.